Hi guys, Leon here from Alpha Weld. In this video today we're going to be looking at our Betterweld seamless flux cored wire and their key benefits. When it comes to a good user-friendly welding wire, especially flux cored wire, quality is key. And that's where the SL series stands over and above other products on the market. Being European made, the Betterweld seamless flux cored wire is manufactured using the latest technology to the highest standards found in the welding industry. So that brings me to the question, what is the difference between seamed and seamless flux cored MIG wire? Firstly, as it's quite obvious from the name, it's a seamless wire. Unlike standard flux cored wire that has a seam running down the full length of it, the Betterweld SL wire is completely sealed, which means that it's fully hydrogen controlled. Now this means that no moisture can be absorbed into the wire during the handling and storage process. Secondly, copper coated. So not only does the copper enhance feedability, it helps create a much more stable arc during the welding process, resulting in nearly spatter-free welds. Thirdly, the Betterweld seamless flux cored wire has a fast freezing flux. This gives us a great advantage, especially when welding out of position. So if you'd like some more information on the SL series, or you'd like to book an on-site demonstration, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.